General Natate, sir. Ito po sa report, nabanggit ninyo na dine-activate yung body worn camera and pinutol yung DVR. Kaya po ba natin itong i-prove, Mr. Chair?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, kailan po kaya ma-approve ng Honorable Regional Director ng NCRPO yung sinasabing dine-activate and kinat na DVR? When kaya po? When?
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, during the conduct of investigation and full-blown investigation, we're able to secure the DVR or the CCTV, including the footage of it.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. So, kailan po natin ma-present yon, yung video na yon? Video footage, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Your Honor. We can present now about the CCTV footage inside the premises where they search, including the CCTV footages outside the building or at the parking, at the hallway of the building, particularly on the 18th floor, para makita doon who are the personnel who entered the premises, including their actions thereat, kung sino yung mga yon, and including the CCTV. The CCTV on the hotel near the Southern Police District, particularly dun sa Bayani Road, where they kept the money, including footages of our usual investigation, informal investigation or interview to personnel who were investigated. Nandun, sir, kung ano yung sinasabi nila. Including the interview by myself, by DRDO, General Attorney Gorat, and different officers and witnesses on Lieutenant Guevara, Lieutenant Colonel Guevara.
Thank you, General Nartates. So, Mr. Chair, General Nartates, are you telling us na nagsisinungaling si Major Quijana para sabihin niya na hindi siya nagbigay ng instruction to deactivate body worn camera at ikat yung DVR, Mr. Chair?
I believe in the statement of the two PNCOs who testified that they were ordered by Major Quijana to get or deactivate the BL.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Balikan ko lang si General Nartates. Di po ba bago i-cut yung DVR and bago i-deactivate yung body worn camera, may makikita tayo doon na nagbigay ba talaga siya ng instruction o hindi? Can we produce the evidence, Mr. Chair?
We cannot say that only the statement of the two PNCO, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, na-preserve po ba yung video doon sa body worn camera bago i-cut or deactivate? Na-preserve po ba? Hindi.
It was preserved, Your Honor.
So kaya nating i-prove, Mr. Chair, kung sinong nagsisinungaling sa mga ito. Interested po kasi ito. Very interesting tong issue na to. Para ngayon pa lang, ma-cite for contempt na natin, Mr. Chair, yung nagsisinungaling. Otherwise, para tayong nag-dribble lang dito. That's my point, Mr. Chair. So, General Nartates, can we get the evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. Can we allow the personnel from regional intelligence to present it?
Mr. Chair, pwede po ba? Baka may present yung ebidensya, Mr. Chair,
Ano yan?
na nagbigay ng instruction si Major Quijana doon sa tatlong
so
PNCO.
That's a very same questions that I was asking kung na-record ba yon sa ano yung Major Quijano was telling Patrolman Acosta that i-turn off yung kanyang body worn camera. You were asking that, ano? Di ba?
Yes,
Sir,
Mr.
the answer
Chair.
is
In the negative.
negative, Your Honor.
So negative yung area yun, wala sila doon. Siguro tinatanong mo yung sa CCTV, yung cabinet
Yes.
sa CCTV.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So during that time, Patrolman Acosta, nakabukas ang body worn camera, correct? Nung pinakat yung yung CCTV. Ay yung yung
No, Mr. Chair.
BDR.
Dalawa po yan eh. Siyempre, Mr. Chair, naka-on yung body worn camera. And nung magbigay ng instruction, na-record yun eh.
Yes, oo nga. Kaya nga meron ba tayo na General Natates doon sa body worn camera na ino-order yung pagkat nung
Wala, Your Honor. None, Your Honor.
dali. Yung bang body worn camera, meron siyang voice over, di ba? Meron siyang voice recording, di ba?
Yes,
So
Your
doon sa
Honor.
inyong review, wala yung ganong
Negative, Your Honor.
negative. Okay, negative, Congressman.
So kung ganun,